And here we are at Radium Hot Springs today on the 7th of February 2021. We have a sign that says do not back in, and we are at the Gables Motel, number 10, honeymoon suite. Cost us $107 for the night, and we've got outside chairs. And actually, we have an actual beautiful view here of the area. Nice parking lot to pull in. This is in the back of the building though. Let's take you inside. Once we've come into our left, we have our coat hangers and a mat down there with the luggage spot. We have been here for the last 2 days. One of the nicest upgrades on the place is the bathroom. If you'll actually notice, nice size mirror, a couple of frontal lights, cups, flowers, towels, and there were plenty of towels. The best is this nice shower stall, marble tiling, really nice. This is a budget motel, so I will be honest with you, there are a few character defects with this place. A little outdated and a little dark, but for the value, well worth it. Beautiful parking on the side, as you can see, mirrors, and we have a fridge and a microwave, and our used coffee cups with trash. On the side, we have a fireplace and TV. And as I keep going, the bed and a couple of lights and a king-size bed this morning for us. That's what we had. The outside view, and I know you can see it, but there are mountains out there. Now, there is a couple of awesome things about this place. We are less than 3 kilometers from Radium Hot Springs. This is the second hotel on the left from Highway 93. The customer service, can't top it. Excellent. Unbelievable. And as I come up, nice table and sitting chairs. And as you can see, number 10 at the Gables Motel. Would I recommend it? Yes. Will I be back? Yes. Is this budget friendly? Yes. This room cost us $107 a night, and this is the honeymoon suite. Not on my honeymoon, but, you know, we got a good deal on it. If you have any questions or comments, like, subscribe, try the channel out. Just what it is. Thank you.